Look at the camera. As y'all can see, my son was being real camera shy. He ain't used to being on camera. But today's video, I want to show y'all how I take his hair from this dry, stiff state to something where his curls is going to be popping by the time this video ends. So first off, first thing you want to do is go in and moisturize the hair. I just went in with my bottle of water and Cantu Shea Butter and EVOO mixture, and I am just misting his hair, making sure I get it all wet, making sure every curl has water to it, because that is going to be your key in order to get the curls popping. Yes, so now I'm going in with my DIY. Now this is a DIY hair growth oil that I made myself. It has rosemary oil in it, peppermint oil, a couple different essential oils, and a little bit more carrier oils that I will not disclose here. But if you haven't seen this video, you can go back over to my channel and check it out. So I'm just going in with the mixture, and I'm giving his hair some tender love and care. I just want to give him a really quick massage, make sure his scalp is being stimulated, and we're going to get these follicles open and make sure the mixture goes into the scalp and it starts growing his hair and keeping his hair strong and healthy. My son has a really thick hair. As y'all can see, my son's hair is super thick. He is a 4C textured hair. He has really tight coils, and so we are just loving on these coils, making sure all his hair receives the proper amount of love. All right, so next I'm going in with my Cantu Shea Butter. Now this is not just your regular Cantu Shea Butter that you buy from you know, just any regular store. This is the one that I doctored up myself. I got a lot of different ingredients in here that's not just straight off the shelf store-bought. And I whipped up my little mixture. I put this in my hair every day. So if y'all are watching my tutorials when I'm doing my own hair, this is the same Cantu Shea conditioner that I'm putting in my son's hair. So we just gonna rub it all through. And y'all don't worry. I know his hair is white right now from the product going in, but throughout this video, you can tell once I start styling it and I get, you know, deep down and dirty with it, all of that will dry up. I'm also going to go in with the blow dryer, and we're going to speed the process up as well, and we're going to add some heat to it, make sure we get the conditioner and melt it down so you don't see all that white cast all over his head. I had just put in the Blue Magic with Indian hemp grease, and that's also doctored up as well. I have a video on that back over on my channel. It's a help hair growth serum, excuse me. And if y'all have not seen that video, y'all please go back over there and watch it. I got a lot of great content on my channel. It's a lot of DIYs, friendly tutorials that anybody can do themselves. All right, so this method that I'm doing right now, I'm just rolling the hair. Now this is very similar to the sponge roll. So if you have one of those sponge rolls that you bought from your hair store, this is the same concept. We're just using a brush. Because my son's hair is really long, it's grown out, you know, it's not short anymore. That sponge roll really doesn't do or add a lot of definition to his hair, so he learned how to do this technique with the brush, and it really gives his hair a lot of texture and style and edge just to the hairstyle. Maybe once my hair grows out a little longer, I might switch from the sponge roll myself and start using a brush, but I haven't got to that stage yet, so you gotta crawl before you walk. All right, so I'm just continuing this process. This is like I said, the sponge roll technique, but we're using a handheld brush, and these bristles are soft. You do not want to use anything that's very hard bristled brush. You always want to get a soft brush. That way you can reduce the amount of breakage or even eliminate breakage completely. And can y'all see these curls is fire? These curls is fire. Look at these individual curls and how his hair is just popping all the way around. I should have stretched his hair out and gave y'all some kind of length check to show you how long his hair actually is, but maybe I'll remember to do that in the next video. Y'all charge it to my head, not my heart. All right, so this part of his head is the driest. I did go off camera. I didn't show that part, but I added some extra Cantu leave-in conditioner. I remisted this top of his head, and I added more oil and the Blue Magic grease, and as you can see, the oil is starting to run down his head, but that's okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna hook him up and clean his forehead up and make sure we get him, you know, together. But I didn't want to shice the front of his hair because that is the area of his hair that stays the driest. So I wanted to give that some extra TLC to that area. And y'all just want to continue to keep rolling the hair. Just continue to keep rolling it. He does have, like I say, taper edges. Well, not like I said, but he does have taper edges and tapered hairline, not tapered edges. I'm sorry, I'm acting like I'm speaking for myself. But he does have a tapered hairline around the sides, and he does have a taper in the back. And you just want to brush those into place. All right, so right here, I'm trying to speed up the drying process, trying to remove that white cast that you see on all these individual curls. So I'm just fluffing the hair, flicking it, and just doing whatever I can to speed the drying process up. It took me maybe about 7 to 10 minutes to blow dry his hair, and as you can see, the white cast is leaving. It's starting to disappear, and as the hair dries, the curls are going to get more defined. And this is what the process has looked like. He really thinks he is on fire right now. He enjoys the hairstyle. He actually loves it. He didn't have this much definition when he was doing it himself, but you know, mama had to step in and make sure the son was on point, and he was right. So if y'all like this video, man, y'all go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. If you have not already subscribed to Hair Problems, No Edges, and More, please do so at this time. Your girl got a lot of great content coming. And if you like this video right here and you like to see my son, you know, maybe do another hairstyle on him, y'all please go ahead and thumbs up this video. Go ahead and like this video, share this video. And like I said, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do it. Do it now. And I will see you guys again in my next tutorial.